Hi, friends! Welcome back to Learn Pop! Let's learn about our daily routine.
Wake up time.
Set the clock.
Brush, brush, brush.
Splash and wash.
Blow dry fast.
Get dressed now.
Make the bed.
Time to eat.
Pack the bag. Time to go. Let's read. Playtime fun. Healthy snack.
Help your friends.
Time to jump. Build it up.
Drawing fun. Tidy up fast. Lunchtime. Splish, splash. Awesome job so far. Keep going. We still have more routines to learn. Pajama time. Hey! Stay hydrated.
Listen to a story. Say goodnight.
Time to rest. Sweet dreams, sleep tight.
You learned the whole routine. Time to rest. We hope you enjoyed our adventure